Hello there. Welcome to this introductory video on how to access your course, Introduction to Python using StatCraft P. To access this course, you will need a few things running on your Windows computer. Ensure that you have the Jupyter Notebook application installed. If you do not have Jupyter Notebook application installed and would like to know how to install it, download the Python installation guide from the link provided in your welcome mail. You will also need a good internet connectivity and a Chrome browser to access the online course and software. To start, let us have the necessary applications open. First, from your Windows PC, launch the command prompt. Type the command Jupyter Notebook. This will open the Jupyter Notebook application in the browser. Click on File, New, Notebook. The Select Kernel pop-up will appear. Click on Select. Now the Jupyter Notebook is ready to execute Python commands. Next, log in to the StatCraft P application. Go to the browser and type this URL. Next, provide the username and password to login. After this, log in to LMS application. Go to the browser and in a new tab type this URL. Provide the username and password to login. You should now have Jupyter Notebook, StatCraft Python as well as the LMS portals opened in your Chrome browser. Go to the LMS application. From the home page, on the left side menu, the courses option is already selected by default. Corresponding to this, a list of courses is displayed on the right-hand side pane. Click on the name of the course assigned to you. Introduction to Python using StatCraft P. This displays a list of 9 topics under this course. Under each topic there is a list of chapters. You can view them by clicking the topic name. Please note the applications you need to practice. For the topics Introduction to Python, Data Structures and Introduction to Python, you will need to use the Jupyter Notebook application. So please ensure that it is open so that you may practice on it. Now let us see how to access the chapters present in the topics. As an example, click on the chapter Programming Concepts from the topic Introduction to Python. On the right side of the pane, 4 tabs will be displayed. Click on the Slides tab. In the Slides tab, click on the slide named Programming Concepts. The slide will open in a new browser tab. You can go through the contents of the slide. The slide contains screenshots of the Jupyter Notebook along with the Python commands as well as the explanation of that command. To navigate to the next slide, click on the right arrow button which is located at the bottom right of the slide. Execute the same Python command in the Jupyter Notebook application which you have already kept open. The output should be same as in the slides. For each slide, you should parallelly execute the same commands that are mentioned in the slide in the Jupyter Notebook application. This will help you practice. Carry out the same steps for the rest of chapters present in the topics Introduction to Python, Data Structure and Introduction to Python libraries. From the topic Introduction to StatCraft for Python onwards, access to StatCraft Python application is required for practice. StatCraft Python already has been opened in another browser tab by you. As an example, let us access the chapter user interface. The slide contains screenshots of the options in the StatCraft P application which you can access in the next tab. While referring to the slide, replicate the same steps in the StatCraft P application. This will help you practice the concepts. Follow the same steps for the rest of the chapters for practicing. If you need any help, write to us on this email. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you a great learning experience.